kung sinasabi natin na-reach na ba namin yung peak namin ni Billy, I think we're just getting started. Why? Kasi sa amin ni Billy, we're always into striving growth.
Pinaka nakuha namin talaga sa USANA na importante yung time freedom, na makasama namin yung anak namin. Pag naging successful ka sa USANA, yung oras na mabigay sa'yo na makasama mo yung family mo, yun yung hindi ma-measure ng pera.
Ang nakikita ko sa the De La Fuente family, it's a family that is whole. It composes of love, happiness.
Kung paano ko palakin yung family namin, usually parang ganun din sa extreme.
Like what I said kay Billy before, bigyan lang niya ako ng bahay. Yun yung pinaka-request ko talaga. And true enough, this is what I can call home.
Tama.
So a home that is whole nga, and at the same time full of love and happiness with the family inside it.
2 years ago, pinlan talaga namin. We want to make, syempre USANA is already a brand. So we want to create our own brand. Kaya nag-focus kami na gawing brand talaga yung Extreme 111. Sabi nga nila, maganda yung before you die, you need to leave a legacy, di ba? With USANA, kailangan mo lang naman talagang ibaba yung pride mo na hindi para sa'yo to eh. So instead of sana may magandang buhay ako, sana may travels. Instead of saying sana, dapat ang sabi mo, USANA.